Hi, if you're struggling with your PUBG mobile game app because it is not working, maybe it keeps on crashing or it is too slow or it just freezes and you can't do anything, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, there are quite a number of methods you can use to troubleshoot PUBG mobile game app. In the first method, we need first to access PUBG mobile game app info page, and you can simply do this through settings here. However, if you want a shortcut method, just go ahead and long press on your app and you should see app info depending on your smartphone. However, if you are missing this, then you should have either a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access PUBG game app info page. At this point, first we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app, and of importance is this cache data. So for my case, I have very little, but on your end you might be having a lot of it. This might be the reason your game app is malfunctioning. To fix, go ahead and tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and final OK, and this will clear your cache data and part of user data. Then go ahead and restart your smartphone, open your app, and now this should have fixed everything. But should this not work, then you might want to go ahead and clear all data. And if I do this now, go to your app and open it. Now in most cases, this should be able to fix any issues on your app. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'll go to Play Store here, search for PUBG mobile app and look for any update, then update it to the latest version. By updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to get the latest features, and also this will ensure that your app is supported. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, if you are still having issues to do with the app crashing, then you'll have to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh to fix this issue. So if you uninstall and install it again, you will now get the latest version that is free from bugs. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.